Are you worried that you will go through your bariatric surgery only to hit an early weight loss plateau or even worse, gain the weight back? It's the number one fear every bariatric patient faces. But weight regain and long-term stalls don't happen by accident. These are driven by specific physiological and dietary habits. Today, I'm going to reveal the top 6 nutrition mistakes that sabotage your bariatric sleeve or bypass, explain the metabolic science behind them, and give you exact clinical strategies to reach your goal weight. Hi, I'm Asdrubal Martinez, the lead bariatric nutrition specialist here at Dr. Sandy Martinez practice in Tijuana, Mexico. We help thousands of patients from the US travel safely across the border for life-changing bariatric surgery. If you are planning your medical journey, hit that subscribe button. Now let's dive straight into these top 6 mistakes. Mistake number 1, overeating hyperprocessed foods. It's easy to think that if a packaged food fits your macros or says high protein, it will be good for you. But here is the metabolic truth. Ultra-processed foods are engineered to break down rapidly in your digestive tract. They passed right through without creating proper physical volume in your pouch. Because they bypass your gastric stretch receptors, they fail to trigger key gut satiety. Hormones like peptide YY and GLP-1 are not produced, therefore being less effective as solid whole foods. You end up feeling hungry again shortly after eating. The fix? Prioritize dense, whole structural proteins like real chicken, fish, eggs, and tofu over shelf-stable packaged snacks or processed protein treats. Mistake number 2, relying on snacks and constant grazing. Because hyper-processed foods don't provide lasting fullness, as we just discussed, they almost always lead straight to grazing. Grazing means taking microbites or soft foods constantly throughout the day. Physiologically, grazing keeps your pancreatic insulin levels elevated all day long. Chronic hyperinsulinemia acts like a metabolic lock. It suppresses lipolysis, which is fat burning, and forces your body into a calorie storage mode. By grazing, you completely bypass your surgical restriction and can easily consume hundreds of extra calories without even feeling full. The fix? Stick to 3 or 4 structured, high-protein meals a day with clear digestive fasting breaks in between to keep insulin low and fat mobilization high. Mistake number 3, falling into all-or-nothing diet mindset. When patients realize they've fallen into a grazing cycle or eating something non-diet compliant, it often triggers a dangerous mental trap called the abstinence violation effect. Rigid, dietary perfectionism makes us feel like eating one bad food means you completely failed. These mental spiral spikes acute stress hormones like cortisol, which impairs your decision-making and leads directly to multi-day binges or throwing your nutrition plan out the window entirely. The fix? Adopt the 80-20% metabolic framework. Treat a dietary slip as neutral data to analyze, not a personal failure, and return immediately to your high-protein baseline at your next meal. Mistake number 4, not retraining your taste buds after surgery. Even if you're eating small portions, there's a neurobiological reason you might still be fighting constant emotional hunger. Hyperpalatable foods, rich in refined sugars, artificial flavor enhancers, and sweet protein shakes overstimulate dopamine reward pathways in your brain. If you continuously rely on ultra-sweet artificial products, your taste receptors remain conditioned to extreme flavor stimulation. This prevents your brain from recalibrating to naturally nutrient-dense whole foods, keeping background cravings alive. The fix? Do a palate reset. Phase out hyper-sweet artificial drops and drinks and focus on simple, savory, whole foods like lean meats, vegetables, and natural herbs. Within 2 to 3 weeks, your taste receptor sensitivity will reset, making natural whole foods generally satisfying and hyperpalatable foods difficult to tolerate. Mistake number 5, skipping strength training and relying on cardio. Nutrition and metabolism are 2 sides of the same coin. What happens if your diet is under control or your metabolic engine is slowing down? Rapid post-op weight loss naturally causes some loss of lean body mass, muscle. Doing only cardio burns calories in the moment, but it fails to stimulate muscle retention or, what's best, muscle increase. Losing muscle mass degrades your resting metabolic rate, causing your metabolism to slow down and leading straight to early weight loss plateaus. On the contrary, gaining muscle will increase your resting metabolic rate, making your body burn more calories even while inactive. The fix? Perform progressive strength and resistance training 2 to 3 times per week to preserve metabolic muscle tissue and to increase burning fat. And finally, mistake number 6, treating these guidelines as a temporary diet rather than building a new identity. Bariatric surgery changes your stomach and intestine anatomy, but long-term success requires a complete lifestyle integration. Viewing these rules as a short-term phase creates cognitive dissonance. Your brain just waits for the day you can go back to old habits. The fix? An integrative solution. Enjoy protein-rich foods first, following by non-starchy vegetables, and do so within a fixed meal schedule. This simple order triggers your pouch's natural stretch receptors, keeping fullness hormones high, and prevents accidental overeating. Second, practice self-compassionate consistency. Behavioral sciences have proven that acting in a self-compassionate fashion is crucial for long-term, lasting behavioral change. If you slip up, just make the very next meal compliant. And last, plan to retrain your palate and add structured strength training. This powerful combination breaks the psychological cycle of sweet food cravings while signaling your body to burn fat, preserve muscle, and protect your metabolism for long-term success. Bariatric surgery is the most powerful tool for long-term weight loss, but it's just that, a tool. By mastering these 6 habits, you protect your metabolism and secure your long-term success. If you are looking for a trusted bariatric team in Mexico, check the link in the description below for a free evaluation with Dr. Sandy Martinez. Don't forget to like the video, leave your nutrition questions in the comments because I do read them all, and subscribe for more tips. See you in Tijuana.